Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Jeep Wrangler radio. First, gather all your tools, including a trim removal tool, a screwdriver, and any specific adapters for your new unit. Safety is paramount, so always disconnect the negative terminal of your battery before starting any electrical work. Confirm your new radio's dimensions and wiring harness compatibility with your Jeep model to ensure a smooth installation process. Now, let's get that old radio out. Begin by gently prying off the dash trim panels surrounding your radio using a plastic trim removal tool to avoid scratches. Once the trim is removed, you'll see the mounting bolts holding the radio in place. Unscrew these carefully. Finally, disconnect all the wiring harnesses and the antenna cable from the back of the old unit. Take your time with each step. With the old radio out, it's time for the upgrade. First, connect your new radio's wiring harness adapter to the vehicle's existing harness, ensuring all connections are secure. Carefully slide the new radio into the dash opening and secure it with the mounting screws. Double-check all connections before reattaching the dash trim panels. Make sure everything clicks back into place for a factory finish. You're almost done. Reconnect the negative battery terminal, then turn on your Jeep to test the new radio. Check all functions: sound, volume, station tuning, and any auxiliary inputs or Bluetooth connections. Ensure everything works perfectly before you button up completely. If you found this guide helpful, please like and subscribe. Also, check the description for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.